Woodworking equipment is needed for processing wood, which is used in construction, furniture manufacturing, and more.
This folding machine can move any distance. It has wheels for transportation. This machine can cut wood of any thickness. As time goes on, technology is modernized and improved. Machines of the old years amaze with their simplicity and power. This is an old woodworking machine. It works great and even after 100 years makes life easier for people. The cone-shaped mechanism helps to split large logs into pieces. The cone is made of durable metal so that you can split a log of any thickness. This is a stationary mechanism for splitting wood. The mechanism is powered by electricity and helps to easily split the tree trunk. This is a portable hydraulic wood splitter. The hydraulic mechanism helps to split the tree trunk with ease. This portable mechanism helps prepare the tree for felling. The mechanism helps to clear the tree of branches. The mechanism moves from bottom to top and vice versa from top to bottom, thus clearing the trunk of branches.
Homemade inventions help make people's lives easier and save them money. Homemade cars and machine tools are the highest level of ingenuity. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported.
Chainsaws for sawing wood come in different sizes. This is the most powerful chainsaw in the world, still MS 881. This saw will cut just about any tree. And this is a whole production of wood processing. Powerful machines are designed for mass production to make boards.
Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process.